Good morning, everyone. Today topic is Rockwell Hardness test. Myself, Dr. J. Sagayaruban, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Rockwell Hardness test is to determine the hardness of the metal by different depth measurement. This hardness testing method involved the measurement of increment of an intender forced into the metal by primary and the secondary load. The principle of Rockwell hardness test is determine the hardness of the metal by differential depth. Component is used in this tester. Rockwell hardness tester and the intender. This is a intender. Is an anvil. It's a wheel rotating above and below. This is a dial face. It's a penetration. This is a penetrator. So we have to put the specimen here. Then a load will be applied. That we will get a intent value. So there are intender. We have um, diameter of 1 by 16th and 1 by 8th, or a spherical diamond cone of 120-degree angle. Loading condition. Load during testing are applied in two stages. One is minor static load. Another one is major static load. Minor static load. Minor static load 10 kg is applied to form a very shallow indentation on the surface of the specimen through the compression of calibrated coil spring placed within the machine between the indenter shaft and the dial. The purpose of applying minor load is to eliminate the error that may arise due to variable contact between the intender and the surface of the specimen. To set the intender on the specimen and hold it in position. To eliminate the error that may arise due to the slight surface imperfection, that is minimize the surface preparation of the specimen. To reduce the tendency for ridging or sinking in cast by the intender. The major static load, either 50, 90 or 140, is applied on the surface of the specimen through a system of weight lever by means of an operating handle, the machine that enlarges the initially formed station under minor load. The load, that is a static load, apply for indentation on the test piece is the summation of minor load on the major load, which is equal to either 60 or 100 or 150 kg. How it works? The specimen is to be tested is made by flat by grinding and then roughly polished, because any surface irregularities will be taken care of the minor load. The application of minor load become effective when the surface of the specimen kept on the anvil is brought in contact with the intender by rotating the anvil evaluating wheel. First, the intender is forced into the test material under a preliminary minor load, and this depth is recorded. With a minor load still applied on the additional load is introduced known as the major load, which increases the depth of the penetration on the sample. The major load is then removed and the force on the sample is returned to the minor load. The increasing in the depth of the penetration, the result applying the removing the major load is used to calculate the Rockwell hardness value. Some advantages: having high accuracy achieved, relatively short time needed to train operator. It is generally used for testing for the large sample. It can be used for the advanced testers. There was a no special surface preparation. Disadvantages: the main limitation are due to the fact that between maximum and minimum load there only a 10:1 ratio. The quality of intender and the surface has a strong influence on the test result. Relatively low sensitivity on the different hardness. This is all about the hardness test. So we have to use this hardness test for a different material to determine the hardness value. Okay, thank you.